rumor has it they're going to talk about one of my favorite ones, which is called the Arduino. The Arduino is a microcontroller that wasn't made back in the last century. This is kind of state of the art, and I think that it would be appropriate to tell on the, should we?
Oh, definitely.
Okay, we're going to tell on the proteges, because when they started working on this project, neither one of them had really become Arduino smart. They kind of heard of them, but they never really looked at them. And so as they started doing this project, they both got hooked.
Did they?
They both have to have their own Arduino now.
Oh.
It is a thing that a lot of you are going to get hooked on. And so this is the kind of stuff you should get hooked on. It's
Okay.
really, really inspiring. So he talked about how this thing was made and they eliminated all these things. Well, that was back way, way, way back before the microprocessor. Then the microprocessor came out, and then it got better with the Z80, which went into the Billings computer. Bravo. And then they came back around, they said, well, what if we took this microcontroller, which could, it was a little chip, one chip could control a lot of things, and what if we put the microprocessor in it and made it kind of a super microcontroller? And that's what the Arduino is. The Z80 CPU in the Billings computer, now I know, do up your seatbelts, it had 8,000 transistors.
That sounds like a lot.
8,000 transistors in one part. The Arduino, yeah, and I have one too. The Arduino that we tinker with, and that you should tinker with, has, guess how many?
More than that.
Yeah, 9,000?
No.
What do you, come on, give us your best shot.
I really don't know.
Before we challenge you, we just want to hear
I really don't know.
500,000
Okay,
transistors.
see, I wouldn't have gotten that.
500,000, that's a 500,000.
That's a lot.
That is nothing compared to your cell phone. Cell phones are crazy,
They are
okay?
crazy.
But, I mean, crazy wonderful. Crazy in terms of transistors. And we're now making chips with hundreds of millions, even billions of transistors, and that's why they can do so many amazing things. Remember, starts out though, all those transistors are just little on-off switches. And very, very clever minds just keep figuring out one more thing we can do with them. Okay?
Okay.
So now the challenge. Are you ready for the challenge?
I don't know.
Sit up straight. Okay.
Okay.
On behalf of the students watching Science Live tonight, we would like to challenge you. They're thinking about projects they might do for the science fair. What I didn't know when I was 16 and working on my science fair project that wouldn't come out till I was 17, I did not know that my science fair project was going to completely launch my career. What if theirs could? When you come to a little microcontroller like an Arduino, it can do so many things, and it's just waiting for you to come up with an idea of something we need so you can solve it with an Arduino. And someone, it's my prediction, someone today besides her is going to come up with an idea that is going to be so valuable, it's going to make you very, very successful.